Yo, welcome back, guys. So yeah, today I'm finally gonna play Don't Press the Button Part 3. Finally, bro. It's been like forever. Also, don't notice my coins. I have like so much coins right now. Which, yeah, I just got Robux today, and I'm trying to get 10,000, and I'm trying to get the. Oh my god! Oh well, I can fly back in, bro. Yo, the portal is actually going. Bro, I thought I got in. There has to be some way. Alright, oh, bro. Oh no! Bro, not this one again. Yeah. Holy guacamole! Oh god! I can go back. I can go back in. Oh fuck. Oh. No, no.
Will you be my friend?
Come on, where's the portal at, bro? Get it? Wait, it's the tiny girl again! Just make me tiny.
I love spending time with you.
This will be so easy, bro. Oh, whoa. What if I don't have a gravity-based speed wheel? Just making the speed wheel here? Frick no, but bro, how are people running so fast? Gonna clone. Oh, it just made me tiny. This will be freaking so easy. Is there a flashlight item? If I just said this will be so easy. My friend Magic Carpet could. Ishki Bruce sign. Oh god! Oh no! Bro, I really wish this was the ending. Oh! Oh no! So how do I escape them? How do I escape them? Really? Can I enter back in the area then? How do you freaking... Bro, I never... Bro. How do you even win this? Like, I never, won this one. I feel like you gotta go all the way up the stairs. No, can I be back tiny? Or be tiny again? Yeah, I'm tiny compared to all the other people. Now it's time to shoot some people. I just try to run them. Daddy. Well, if this platform disappears, then we're cooked. We're cooked. Platform disappears. No, yeah. We're cooked! Yeah, we're so cooked. I win at least. Day 1. What side, bro? No, well, I feel like, no. We're gonna be kicked out. Oh! Yeah! I just I'm back. Okay, I already knew that. Pink? No, pink. No, pink. Pink will be gone. Bro! The game knows where I am. This girl keeps Oh, here. Yay! I'm in the boat. But why is this a daycare and the lights are flickering? If you got something in your nose, oh shoot, I moved. No, don't stun me or you're gonna die. Stun me, you're about to die. You're about to stun me, huh? You're about to stun me, huh? When I'm gonna die. I'ma see where she went. We have to restart all of this over again. Okay. Maybe you got something in your nose. Or you. Did she, what the hell? She's doing it! I love this music, bro. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Well, yeah. He wins? How, rope? Get to the top. Bet. This is so easy. It's so easy, bro. I just got yo, bro. If I do this like 1,000 times, I can get this. Hell yeah! Wait, bro. This is the second. Oh yeah. People are probably. Wait. No, give me. It's spin time. Spin time. Yo, is this even on? Oh yeah, it is on. Thanks for 50 coins! Bro, I really needed that much coins. I can go back in, so womp womp. Well, I already have a gun, so yeah. I have a sword. Sword ain't gonna do nothing, but this will do something. Yo, how, bro? I'm gonna get that. No. You know what? No, get the hell out of my way! No. Where's that girl? What's doing that? No, is this goal 5? Yo, she's probably 5. Yeah, I got her! Take out the fire. Come on, wait, what the? The building's already done. Y'all aren't doing nothing. Yo, should I help y'all a bit? I'm gonna help y'all a bit. I can go up here, bro. What the? Did they just win? Oh no! Rip to them.
My dude, you almost died.
Yep, kill her! Push her off! Push her off! No, push her off! Push her off! Push the tiny girl off! I'm gonna make her push her off. Oh crap, yeah.
No! No!
Damn!
No!
This girl's so sad. So I can finally jump.
I won.
No, I won though. Bro, how do I stop the fire? There. Oh, how do I stop the fire though? I'll try not to. Half people died already. Monkey's so sad. Yo, I used to love this one. And just make people get back in the game. It might be unfair for the people. Because it might be unfair for the people. What? That's not ready. Finally. I'm the one who missed it. Find a green cone. Someone changed. Find a bright red ball. Find a bright red ball, bro. Bro, where is it at? Find a green cone? What? Where's the green cone at? Where's the bright red ball at? Oh. I need to get in. Yeah. You can go back in. You can go back in. Bro. Right red ball. But where's the bright? Oh, found it. Boom. I'm gonna go back in the game. Oh. Yep. Of the red chocolate. But where's the red? Oh no. Bro, okay. now, bro. I got some extra backup in case it does. Oh, okay, now it's gonna be a million times. What the hell? Yeah. Not us. Anyone know me? Oh, yep, wait, where's the portal at? Okay. Give me a portal. No, I'm gonna make people die, bro. Winner. Okay. Oh, look at my. Oh god, oh god. Oh no. I bet it's gonna be this one. No. Well, it's gonna be this one next. It's that one. Mickey died. It's gonna be either of these two. Yep. Yeah, we survived. We survived, bro. No, give me a button. Get the goofy hell off my island. Mickey that AFK kid. Bro, Mickey that AFK kid. Bro, how do I aim? I'm just aiming where I want.
Come on, bro.
Girl, okay, Pinkie Pie is trying to get me. Cause she probably thinks I'm not a real YouTuber. Y'all suck, please. Y'all suck, please! I'll be under your bed. Or tickle your pickle. I'm kidding, bro. Oh, it's good. The ice skin. 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 There you go. Yep, W this girl. No. L this girl, bro. She's really just doing some for revenge, bro. I killed you twice. But, no wait. No, I didn't kill you. I almost killed you twice, but... No, it's in the old. No, who is the old man? Who is the old man? Who is the old man? Who's the goofy old man? Bro, who is the old man? Okay, I'm guessing it's Mickey. No, it's probably He said it's an old man. So this is a woman. This is the man. This is the man, bro. This is the man. Snowball fight, snowball fight, snowball fight. Bro, I'll give you one more chance. Just no, get him. Probably admitting that he's a real. Okay, yeah. Die. Monkey, bro, who's Monkey? This man? Yeah, bro. Wait, oh. Bro, he's dead. Bro, what do you mean? Yep. Say L. Oh. I made it. Bro, where's the ending? I got special powers. No, I got go. Oh no! Hey, what the? Gonna go! Yay! Goofy our voice. I swear, if I get banned by just saying that, and the old man reports me. No, I'm gonna kill y'all, bro. I'm gonna kill y'all. No, I'm gonna kill y'all. Oh,
What's outside?
yeah, y'all can. Y'all done to me.
Nah, but I ain't fit. Oh, Steve.
What the? Only one grass. Only one grass bridge. Only one grass bridge. Wait. Bro, that was a whole freaking right waste, bro. Yo, I bet it's yeah, it's this one. Give it. Thank you for 15. Oh, Goofy. In my yo. New way to kill people. Wait, portal gun? Okay, I already owned that. I really forgot. Wait, speed coil? No, bro. Why didn't I buy this? Why? Yeah, I really need to get this. Yeah, like, I need like this much. Monkey. Okay, whenever I see monkey, you gonna die. You should not be playing Roblox, man. You should not be playing Roblox, man. Okay, I'm gonna watch until monkey. I'm really bad at that. Oh man. This thing is good. Look at that. No, I'm gonna drop it. But this is what you get for being a sus old man. I bet you had a sus girlfriend. Yo, how do I freeze thing? Okay, yeah, give me freeze. Give me kick.
What's wrong with the button?
No, I don't want to insert the gear, bro. Oh my god, bro. The old man is the button presser. Let's do this again, bro.
I'm zooming out back and find it.
No, grapple into this speaker. Bro, I did not. Trick or treat, smell my feet.
Knock, knock! Who's there? The door!
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock! Who's there? Knock, knock!
Boy. Boy. I'm doing that for real. Yeah. What the goofy bro? No, bro. You have back. You get your ball back. Hey, yo. Oh no, I just yeah. Come on, I'm trying. Mickey, get out! Get out of my way, Mickey! Oh, Boston! 106? Man, a hacker can. Let's go! Wait, there you go. Look to the man, bro. You be missed. Let's run. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Knock, knock! Who's there? Good door. Yummy.
What did you get a sweet thing?
Bro, I think the bacon got lasered. Yes! Thanks! Yay, baby. Yay. Get to. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What?
Chavez.
Rip to y'all, bro. Oh, can you peek? You're about to die! Wait, what the hell? How is she not die? I shall get you. I shall get. Oh, yep. Yeah, I wasn't even. Yeah. I'm the destroyer. What the? Yo, I need to collect these. But first, I win. Yo, okay. Cool ass music, bro. We need
Usually get out. Look.
Goofy off. Give me big head. Right, yeah, I needed that. No, but I need to be tiny. No, big head. Big head but tiny. No.
What?
Hell yeah. Alright, yeah, this can damage a lot of players. Come on, up!
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Rain tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat.
No, I can't die. Oh no. Bro, I can't believe this is a farm. Who has the portal? No, who has the portal gun, bro? Who actually has the portal? Oh yeah. Yeah. We were cut. Oh no! Oh no! What time is it? How is that guy still standing? Bro, how is he still standing? Give me okay. Oh, go on top of the crane. On top of the crane. Whoever just went on top of the crane, be brave. Yeah, kind of nice. Oh, what? Oh no! Bro, I just almost died. Oh no, this might be the end. Oh no. Okay, we gotta be careful of those. I still got full health. Yep, I got a couple. Yeah, I got a half health. Just jumped in, bro. Oh god. Yep, it's really Beep. That was really easy. All you had to do was just jump. Okay, forget it. Okay, y'all gonna die? You gonna die. Don't wanna die, you gonna die.
That's well. You go. I'll get back. I'll die.
Oh my god, bro. New people joined. We really need to make it. No, bro, we need to make it. Oh my god. We really need to make it. How in the world are we gonna do this? Okay, so brand new people joined. Except Moody. He don't use voice chat no more. Yep, come on. This is so easy. Just look. much do I got 8. I feel like if the guy has more than me. Oh no, bro, this might be the... Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make this the last one. Oh god. Oh god, yeah, I know how to do this, but... Yo, wait. No! No, not the last one. I'm gonna have to go through this all over again. Oh, you have to go down. Okay. I get it. I really get it. Where's Bloody? No! Bloody left! No! No! The OG guy! No! Type in the comments hashtag remember that one guy. Yeah. That one guy. Wait, who's Piggy Lover? Do I recognize Piggy Lover? Do I recognize her? Yo, I do recognize her. Yo, we gotta check out her. The old moon. Boom. Let's go. Pop it, stop. Bro, I see a place down there. Can't escape though. When will we end this actually, bro? When will we end this? I don't know. Bro, we might end this in 7. Already dead. Oh, let's jump the duck. Bro, even Spider-Man died. Even Spider-Man died, bro. Swag. No. What? Mommy! Hey, no, bro. No, I might as well just make that a clip. Also, sub to OJ63 for Eclipse if you haven't already. I have 3 subs. 3. Let's go sub now. more. Okay. I'm gonna kill the mom. I'm gonna kill you. Kill that. Might kill this. Wait, I see a plate back there. That might be the right one. That might be the right one. No, this is so easy, bro. I love it. I love this. Bro, I love this. Okay, yeah, yep, okay, yeah, so, bro. Come on. Return my plates. I probably got the most. Bro. When will we ever end this? Might as well just end it when I die next. That was my death. So I'm finally done. Yeah, finally done. Yep, I'm finally done.